Homestyle Chicken Noodle Soup. Add your chicken to the slow cooker and season well with salt and pepper. Carefully pour in 8 cups of good quality chicken stock. Next, add 4 cloves of minced garlic, followed by 1 diced onion, 3 diced carrots, and 3 chopped stalks of celery. Season with half a teaspoon of dried thyme and half a teaspoon of rosemary. Toss in a couple of bay leaves. Cover and cook for 4 hours on a low setting. Remove the cooked chicken, shred and return to the pot. Add 8 ounces of spaghetti noodles to the pot and cook for a further 30 minutes, or until the noodles are done. Ladle into a bowl and enjoy your effortlessly comforting Homestyle Chicken Noodle Soup.